Hey, so let me show you this beautiful cartoon baby kit 3D model. Let's first look at Blender file, then I will show you FBX, GLB and also OBJ files which are included. So let's turn to material preview. Now you can see that it's fully rigged. On the top you can see the lip sync and expressions like blinking left eye, right eye, and so on and so forth. Let's see, blinking, yes, and predefined like happy, laughing. Now you have predefined expressions which you can easily use in 3D animation or in a game. Then you have also the lip sync. Let's turn it off. Let's turn everything off, and here is a, see, like a lip sync. Like this is cool for talking, like when you want to talk, you know, making talkative animation. It's super fast, super helpful, and it works nicely. Then the next thing is that we have, it's fully rigged, so you have the pose, you have the, you can easily animate it. It was done with Auto Rig Pro. So it's standard way to do the rig in a Blender. You can easily animate it. It works nicely. Let me just check here. You have controllers which you can easily change it, and also you can change, the skirt, because here are some custom bones. But it's super handy, super fast. Works nicely here and there. You can easily animate, make poses or whatever you want. So this is regarding the rig. It's fully rigged. You can see it here. And then we have the poses. Like, we have 30 poses with various objects. Like it's here. It's pretty cute. So yeah, that's basically it. Then we have, which is extremely cool thing, is that let me just show you here. We have the shape keys, and this is all ARKit shape keys. There are 52 of them, and you can easily just export. We exported them in GLB and also FBX files, so you can just import it and you will get also these shape keys. So this is pretty cool. It's nicely structured in the file, so you will see it here. One thing is that it's using the subdivision level. It's for the render is 2, for the viewport is 1. But the one thing is how you can get to lower resolution, lower polygons. For the games, you can just turn off the subdivision and you will get to 30K or something polygons. As you can see, it's textured here, so you can change the texture in Photoshop or whatever tool and easily get customizations on the character. So yeah, that's it regarding the Blender file. Let's jump to the GLB file. Okay, so here we are in GLB file. You can see that we have the, the poses. All the poses are imported and exported to GLB, so it can be used. It's pretty fun way. The cool thing is, as I mentioned before, is that we have more targets, which is like the shape keys, and they work nicely. Some of them are super subtle, but they are the standardized way. They are the ARKit 52 blend shapes. Let's jump to the FBX file. FBX is rigged and also includes the poses. I'm using the previewer. It's not here, but if you include it in the Maya or Cinema 4D or maybe even Blender back, you will see the poses and also the rig. Let me try that. Okay, so now I imported the FBX file. It's rigged with the poses. Let's check it out. So it's posed and it works nicely. Let's jump to the OBJ files. The way how the OBJ file is structured is that every pose is different OBJ file, and also the cool thing is that you can use the FBX file to Mixamo or OBJ file to Mixamo and get all the animations there. So you will get free 3D animations, like hundreds of them, even thousands. So it's pretty helpful and you will get it for free. So yeah, that's the OBJ file. That was it. If you are interested in this specific cartoon baby, check out the description down below. There is the link for the purchase. If you are interested in any custom 3D model, feel free to reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. You will see it, the email in the description down below. And yeah, if you need any help with 3D animation, feel free to reach out. And have a great day, stay creative, and bye.